Hi everyone, this is Mr. Nivas. Today I have come up with another superhero character. This is going to be Hulk. So everyone know about this character, and kids are very fond and like this character because of his huge physique and muscularity. So as usual, I'm going to start with the head. So first of all, we'll make a simple form to make sure the all proportions. Actually, we have to spend more time for making the outline and form because this is a very basic and very important steps. Shading you can do with any other new techniques, but drawings are very important part. Okay. So I'm step by step marking the other body part. So then after the head, this is shoulder. The shoulder is very huge and bigger than the head. Okay. As he is a very superhero and a huge body, we cannot see the proper body proportions like other superhero. His body is one of the exaggerated version. So now I'm drawing the body part to show the V shape and chest area. Actually, in this pose, Hulk is slightly turning other side and standing, and like one hand and it's like perspective way. Okay, I don't want to spend more time on the sketching part, so let's speed up the drawing. Okay. Okay, now we have the basic form roughly. So next step is to make a clean outline. So Now we have done with the clean outline. Next step is to clean up the unwanted lines we have made in the beginning. So by erasing, we'll have the final and clean outline without any doubt, so that it will be very easy to make shading properly. Okay. Let's see the shading in the part 2. Okay.